buy it on the parabolic is a totally different ballgame. I don't know anything about the name. I can just tell. Yeah, good luck. I don't know how. It looks good today, but you just had the stock go up 8x in 1 week. I'm more of a ring the register when the stock does, or the penny stock does that, as opposed to the other way around.
We're taking 250 right now on Tesla, and I will, Jacques, get to your question about reloading it at my initial level. But trade the pool. Beat Ackman. Okay, live trading competition is now here. October 8th to the 10th. Every day, Ackman makes his move. Your mission, he does make a move every day? Okay. Your mission, outperform him, beat his return, prove what you've got. Indeed, what it takes. And oh boy, as Tesla right now is mooning right here, but here we go. The grand finale is on October 13th, broadcast live on
This
TraderTV.
gap closed at 391.36.
In the studio to tell you who wins. Probably Mitch will make probably $750,000. So get ready for this one. Over $600,000 in prizes are up for grabs. Both $25,000, $50,000, and even $100K evaluation accounts. Please surprise giveaways during the live show. Wow, this is gonna be a lot of fun here on that day. So join us on October 13th. Scan the QR code to be part of it right there. But hey, man, you only need one kind of trade right here today. Look at that Tesla off that bottom. But I do want to answer your question. And you had just said right here, following my previous Tesla question about how you got stopped out. How you got stopped out. Okay. How does it make sense for you to jump back in the long at your current price? So I was just wondering, do you mean like when I was currently stopped, like right there? Because the only time I got stopped out was right here at 9:50. So I got stopped out right there, and then again at right there at 4:42.
Landlord Steve Walker, 50
what I
unit.
did was I just did a deeper dive, right? And we had it posted here on the sticky note, and I don't know if you have access to this or not, my guy, but you could just go look right here. We said 440. We'll wait for the level break, right? So we did take the long. I thought Tesla was a long early, so I was buying this falling knife all the way down in. And then finally, once it made 440, and we just, you know, I hate saying this joke, but it's like an old one from someone in my family. Used to say a blind guy can see this. But right into there, 440 was the closing level. So that's where, you know, I kind of liked it. And
483 is my target.
The rest is history. So we hit it again, and we would have put it on another one, but I was waiting for these lows, 439.50 to fill, and I was going to give it 50 cents. So yeah, man, big trade alert there on Tesla. We hit it to the view up a couple times. Either way, man, $3.40 now in the money, and I'm almost out. So I think I'm just gonna get out right now on Tesla. We can't hold overnight. We'll end that trade off right there, and you know, wait to see if we can do even more damage.
Note the bounce off of
here tomorrow. But we were
that line,
stock early on Tesla,
which is a gap.
To make it back. So good levels there to get in and take it back up to the upside.
That's
so
done.
That's just following your rules. So rule-based trading is pretty much all that I try to do. So.
Before I get up to the desk, there's only 2 minutes to go here. I just want to. I'm surprised by this, but Wolf actually.
No, this gap did not touch. It's still in play.
If you missed the story, they're getting delisted, I believe, October 10th, and there's a new company being formed. Current shareholders are getting 3 to 5% of the new Wolf.
Yeah, bad.
Which is not a lot. So, congratulations. It's going up anyways. But it's kind of crazy. They are getting delisted, but creditors are getting the bulk of the new entity. So they're restructuring some debt significantly, and shareholders will get 3 to 5%. That's what the press release says. Should open up at 4 o'clock, but I'm going to get up to the desk. Have a good one there.
Yeah, we will.
Monday Night Football doesn't really matter to anybody.
It's double games.
It's 2 games, but, I mean, kind of suck, so I'm not... Yeah, it's the Jets in Miami. Who cares about that?
Well, of course they suck. Those are both teams that are in your division, man. That's the reason, part of the build.
We want Denver to win for...
Yeah, we want as many upsets as possible at the end of the day. There for our survivor pool. Okay, man. Yeah, thank you, everybody. We didn't get to this. This was for Neil, but...
Resistance? Sell-off.
What does that big-ass volume and red candle mean on MP stock in the 3 to 5 minute chart? So I'll have a quick look at it and just to tell you guys what's up with that. So what's up, Calvington? Oh no, there it is. Okay, for MP. Okay, so let me see if we can find that chart for you. We're out of everything. We're flat on everything. We were looking to take some Marvell. Oh, right here at 3:30. I don't know. Sometimes there's just a news dump or something. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me. I'm gonna
Ooh, bless you.
Yeah, I apologize for that. I don't know. That to me, it's not an
Right into the
area
mic.
of concern. So that could have just been, again, somebody dumping a whole bunch of shares. You could wind up that maybe there was an insider sale that came through. There could have been a level on the level 2 here that just kept on following it all the way up and then eventually got hit. I'm not sure. It looks like there was a buyer that got taken out, right? Oops, that's a roll call, wrong one. Here we go. With only less than 10 seconds left, make sure you do scan that QR code. I was actually looking at some VinFast cars around here. It looks pretty nice to me. For TraderTVLive, make sure you check it out. And thank you them for sponsoring. The market is now closed. Not too many earnings to hit tonight. We do have Lululemon. Well, Lululemon was up today. We do have Nike later on this week to come through as well. So I'll be on tomorrow with Adara and do all of that. Thank you so much for joining us again here today. It's been a great show. I'm going to sneeze. One more time, I'm going to turn off my mic.
All right, watch out for this gap.
Thank you so much for watching. I'm back tomorrow with hopefully less sneezes at around 8:30. I'll see you then. Go double check all the sticky notes, and I'll see if I can get that guy back live. Talk to you guys in a bit. It's Sean. It's the main show over. Recap show on now.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much on your market recap show brought to you by Beta Pro by GlobeX. Does start now, and what a day it was. We had $100 billion deals. We had shutdown, government shutdown risk, which is something we'll be talking about all week long. And then you had cannabis names going higher. What are you going to do? Let that pun sort of speaks for itself. So big one, and of course later on this week we're going to get Nike. We talked a little bit
Let's
about
go back
that.
to Nike.
You know, the big story, of course, for the market, the potential government shutdown leads things off. But don't sleep on those cannabis moves after President Trump with a simple post of a video, and all of a sudden you get 60% up on Tilray.
Yeah, that was really all it took. He just posted one video. It was like 3 minutes long. It was really odd. And again, you can check out, I have a whole rundown on this on X at TTV Research. Basically, he posted this video, but then, Neil, at one point, these names gave back some of the move on Monday afternoon.
Yes.
Now, why? Because the Marijuana Herald reported that the DOJ is requesting an extension. They're going to delay that rescheduling case until January 2026, if the report is to be believed. So, pretty interesting stuff there. Let's get started. They're talking about all of these stories for the day. Now, as you mentioned, Neil, the shutdown risk is a big concern, and it's also a big issue because we do have, of course, the BLS, Bureau of Labor Statistics, saying, hey, guys, if the government is shut down, then as protocol, we are...
All right, that's my last one.
Data, including those NFP prints we're expecting on Friday.
Have a great trading day.
Obviously, to see if